Trishanu'stech. So let's start today's video. Today I'll be reviewing the HP mouse 250, model number 250, and so let's dive into the review of this. I haven't opened the box, as you can see right here. So this is gonna be a total fresh review. I'll just give a quick overview on this. The mouse size is pretty good, as you can see. I'll open it after some time. There's Bluetooth 4.2, which is a little outdated, but yeah, it's fine. But it has 3600 dpi. Right here is 15 months of battery life, and it has data security, which I'm not quite that sure what it is. If you might know, please do write in the comments below. And yeah, let's go into the video. It includes 1 month of warranty as well, which is kind of good. I have ordered this from online, so let's unbox. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm done with unboxing of this thing. Right now I have installed the battery already inside this, and I have seen how to use this as well. There was a lot of paperwork included with this, and there was a battery also as well included with this. So as you can see, here's the battery. Here's the battery of this. So you need to remove the battery case. It does not have a battery case down here, as you can see. You need to remove the front top cover of this like so, and install the battery right in here, and you can just put this in like so, and it goes right into place. Here is on off switch, the connection button. You need to press this while connecting it to your PC, and it has a blue-red sensor in it. This is the latest sensor of the mouses, which you can find right now in the market. The scroll button is kind of nice. The click sensitivity, the click travel, is good, not that bad. You can use this mouse for gaming, and it has 3600 dpi, as I said you, and it has Bluetooth 4.0 connection. I said this as well. So now this is made up of by HP, the company HP. The mouse itself, the up part is made up of matte finish plastic. Side as well, the down part as well. These grips are very good. The sensor, it's made for using it in any type of surfaces. You can use this in any type of surfaces, glass, transparent, translucent, any kind of surfaces. So this is a pretty aerodynamic mouse. It fits very well in your hands. It's a pretty big bulky mouse, which, as you can say. So right now let me just disconnect my first mouse, and I'll show you how to connect this mouse with the laptop. So yes guys, as you can see, I will, on this mouse, press this button right here, go to the Bluetooth settings of my PC. As you can see right here, HP Bluetooth mouse pops right up here. You can connect it to this, and done. The driver will install immediately in this. The driver of this will install very immediately. As you can see, the driver of this has been installed. The sensitivity, the clicks, right click, flawless, very flawless. No problems with that at all. Now let's talk about how to change the DPI on this mouse. So what you need to do for that is press both the left and right button at one time, drag it down for decreasing the DPI, and you may drag it up for increasing the DPI. But as you can see, the DPI is too much right now. I'm moving it hardly, but then the cursor is moving too much. I don't want this much DPI, so I'll press these both buttons and drag it down. As you can see, the DPI has decreased for this. Now what is DPI basically, for those who don't know what is DPI? DPI is, I move this mouse 1 centimeter, and how many pixels will the cursor move. That is basically DPI, and 3600 DPI is too much, more than enough. You can use it for gaming and all stuff. This mouse is very good for gaming, but the disadvantages in this mouse is it does not include an RGB light and a separate button for changing the DPI itself. It only has 3 buttons, just like a normal mouse, no extra buttons or anything like so. In comparison, I have the Logitech mouse right here. This is the newer versions of the Logitech mouse. The Logitech mouse, the feeling of this and it is very good. Basically, I can say the key travel and everything is good, and this is as well as Bluetooth, so no problem over there as well. This as well as Bluetooth. I'm using it for many days, which is this is really good. This is also a DPI mouse, and it has a fourth button, which is kind of convenient sometimes, but then this does not have a fourth button. It has a LED right here, so you off it and then on it. This LED, it's a white LED over here. It says you're connected, done. Yeah, you're connected. But for the on off switch, it does not have different colors, so it's kind of hard to understand whether it's on or off. The sensor, this thing's battery life is 15 months, which is more than enough for anyone. It already comes with the battery included in the box, as I said you before. So I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please do give a like on this video. It really helps me and it motivates me for making such type of videos for you people. Exclusive ones, obviously. And please subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you want to talk with me in live, then please go to my Discord server and you can join it. It really supports me. You can even see my Twitter account. That's all for today's video. In the next video, I'll be seeing you people, and till then, bye.